Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: unlocking success. How to join Livegood and maximize your benefits. Whether you're new to Livegood or considering joining, this video will walk you through the enrollment process and share tips on how to get the most out of your membership. Livegood is a rapidly growing wellness and lifestyle community focused on providing high-quality health products and rewarding its members with income opportunities. So, how do you become a part of this dynamic network? Let's break it down. Step 1. Understand what Livegood is. First, it's important to understand what Livegood offers. Livegood provides a range of premium wellness products, including supplements, designed to promote better health. Beyond products, it's a business opportunity where you can earn commissions by sharing the products. And Step 2. Visit the official Livegood website. Head over to the official Livegood website. Make sure you're on the correct site to avoid any scams. Here, you'll find detailed information about their products, membership plans, and compensation structure. Step 3. Choose your membership package. Livegood offers several membership options depending on your goals, whether you're interested in personal use or building a business. Review the packages carefully to select one that aligns with your needs. Step 4. Complete the enrollment process. Filling out the enrollment form is straightforward. You'll provide your personal information and payment details. Once completed, you'll receive access to the member portal, where you can manage your account and orders. Step 5. Maximize your benefits. Now that you're a member, here's how to maximize your benefits. Use the products consistently to experience their full health benefits. Engage with the community through online groups and training sessions. Leverage the business tools provided to build your network if you're interested in earning commissions. Stay updated on promotions and product launches. Final thoughts: joining Livegood can be a powerful step toward better health and financial opportunity. By understanding the enrollment process and actively participating, you can unlock real success with this platform. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more wellness and business tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success with Livegood.